This is a one-owner 2020 Honda Pilot Elite. AutoCheck gives this Honda a score of 97 out of 97 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. This Honda has 6 cylinders with the iVTEC and 3.5 liters. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has a power liftgate. Currently I have the seats folded down, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those up so when we go inside I can show you the seats. And a nice little Velcro system to keep that strap out of the way. And then there's your liftgate button. Come around here, you can see it has dual two-tone rims. And there's the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is black leather in excellent condition. Here are the middle row bucket seats. And come back here. And there's your third row in excellent condition back there. Your rear passengers can be entertained by a rear entertainment system. This is also a panoramic sunroof. I currently have it closed because the sun is so bright that it would interfere with the video. You have the tri-zone climate control, and then there's your headphones, USB ports, also an outlet. Sorry. There's the passenger seat. The front passengers do have the heated and vented seats right there. Here's where your Blu-ray or your rear entertainment controls are, as well as navigation. This is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I have a picture of that. You'll be able to see that in the still photos. Because I have the DVD player working and I'm videoing, I won't be able to use Apple CarPlay. So you have your lane, your cruise control, and then over here is your audio controls. Over there is your lane departure and collision alert, power locks, power windows, as well as seat memory, and then another sunroof. There. If you're looking for a 7-passenger vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Pilot out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!